Hi everyone, welcome back to the Mind Museum's YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about digital marketing tips and strategies that you can use to promote your business or organization. Digital marketing has become an essential tool for businesses and organizations to reach their target audience and increase brand awareness. So let's dive into some tips and strategies that you can implement today. The first strategy is search engine optimization or SEO. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages. By doing this, you can increase your website traffic and generate more leads. To optimize your website, you need to focus on keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. The second strategy is content marketing. Content marketing involves creating and sharing valuable content that educates and entertains your target audience. By doing this, you can build trust and loyalty with your audience and establish yourself as an authority in your industry. The third strategy is social media marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn are powerful tools for building brand awareness and engaging with your audience. To be successful on social media, you need to create a strong social media strategy, create compelling content, and engage with your followers. The fourth strategy is email marketing. Email marketing is a cost-effective way to stay in touch with your customers and prospects. By sending targeted and personalized emails, you can nurture leads and increase customer retention. The fifth strategy is pay-per-click advertising or PPC. PPC is a form of online advertising where you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. By targeting the right keywords and demographics, you can drive traffic to your website and generate leads. So those are the top 5 digital marketing tips and strategies that you can implement today. Remember, digital marketing is not a one-size-fits-all solution, so make sure to tailor your strategies to your unique business goals and target audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Mind Museum's YouTube channel for more tips and strategies on how to grow your business or organization. See you in the next video. Hi everyone.